My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the adware-type extension called Price Tracking Pro. Price Tracking Pro is a new adware-type extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that it will help you to save your money by giving you better prices online, but in reality this extension actually operates as a browser hijacker in many cases, and also it may operate as adware by displaying a lot of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So you should treat this extension with caution. Don't tolerate it. If it was installed, you need to fix your browser by accessing the menu More Tools, Extensions. Then if you find this Price Tracking Pro extension, disable and remove it completely. In order to get convinced that your computer is free of any other threats, we recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and start researching your device. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.